Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover how to push to Salesforce a document generated from Titan Web. Let's review what we've set up in previous videos and projects. I have a Titan Web project with a web capture form. In this form, we pre-populate data with information from a lead in Salesforce. I've created a new lead document using the Titan builder in Microsoft Word, pulling information from a Salesforce record into a Titan document template, and we have uploaded that into our web project. It is accessible in Gear, Tools, Document Generation. This is our form. This is how you set up and configure a push to Salesforce to push the generated file. In the template upload, edit, go to next, and be sure that push to Salesforce is enabled. Add the option if it's not there, and then enable push to Salesforce. You will then need to create a Salesforce push to create the appropriate records. So go to the gear, go to Salesforce, and create a push. I've already created it. We want to insert a new record in the files Salesforce object, also known as content version. So come to the objects selection and find files. Set your action to create. In the mapping, here are the fields that you will need to map. The title, although that is optional, I've selected Salesforce field title, other, my attachment. The version data is the field in Salesforce that will hold the actual generated file. From the drop-down list, select the option labeled docgen followed by your template name. Docgen new lead form.docx in our case. For the field first published location ID, you will need to save a Salesforce record ID. This should represent the Salesforce record to which the uploaded document should be attached. In our example, we've set up a variable. We've called it lead ID. That variable is holding the ID of a lead that we have created or updated. So go ahead and click apply. We will then need to invoke that action from somewhere. In this case, I have done it from a button. I've added a button onto the layout and called it push doc to Salesforce. In that button's action flow, I have added a Salesforce action, and we are calling the integration action that we just created files create. We then show a message confirming that the file has been uploaded. Let's have a look. Let's go ahead and preview my record. We pre-populate information from an existing lead. Click on the button push doc to Salesforce. The action will run, and then we get a confirmation message. Let's verify that. Go back into the builder. In Salesforce integration logs, we get a confirmation that we have created a file record ID. Let's go ahead and click on this. Here we go. The file has been uploaded. I can go ahead and see this in my download history. And there's the document uploaded to Salesforce. Let's verify that it attached to a lead. It should be this recently viewed lead here. And there it is in the attachments. And that is how it's done.